Who is there?
I'm practicing my sign! Oh, where is it? 1945, 1945, 1945.
Really just discovered this sign on the...
1945, 1945.
There's no one here. Can you run to that map there
Squirrel!
without anyone seeing you? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That over there is our swimming pool. There's a little swimming pool for the DVC buildings, and it's just there, behind that wall. And just over there is the main building, past that park.
We are the happy family, happy family, happy family. We are the happy family, happy, happy family.
I was just saying, how nice is this?
I don't want
You don't think
anyone
to come to Disney and just sit on the balcony and have breakfast? But it's just lovely. Are you ready, Millie?
Yes.
Wow, you look pretty. Look at those ears. Lovely. Where are we going today, Mills?
Magic Kingdom. And now we're going to
Oh.
the best ears.
Look at Lucas's ears. Hannah made these ears
My ears are the best
with
ears.
Mickey, Goofy, and Donald. They are very cool.
I want
Very nice ears.
I don't recommend working with feathers ever.
But it's so worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're supposed to go to Epcot today.
No, we're not.
No, we were supposed to, I'm saying. No, we're not. But we put it to a vote and we got outvoted. Because these guys want to go back to Magic Kingdom and I don't blame them. So we're going to do that and then we can do Epcot tomorrow, can't we?
No.
Never? Just Magic Kingdom every day?
No, that's going to get a bit boring.
Hello, it is Monday and we're just heading out. As Dom said, our plans have changed. We chilled out this morning. We are trying to be relaxed. It's not coming very naturally to Dominic at the moment, but I'm going with it because we're not in a rush and he needs to just chill and relax. And whatever will be, will be. And that is so the opposite of who we are at home. Usually I am the let's go, let's go, let's go. And he's the just chill out. Did you check the door shut though? So we're going to head over to Magic Kingdom because that's what the kids want to do. And John was a little bit panicky about that as well because he was like, but we've got fast passes at Epcot. And I'm like, doesn't matter. Let's just chill and enjoy our life. So that's what we're doing. And Millie has chosen, you know, as usual, a very practical outfit for going to the parks all day. Most kids wear like shorts, t-shirt, like these two. They're practical trainers. She's wearing a wedding dress, pretty much, and a veil. But you know, if you can't do that when you're 5, when can you? Jack is wearing his new Vans. They're Disney Vans. They're super cool. They're Mickey Mouse ones. He's wearing a Hype t-shirt. Can you show us your Hype t-shirt? These are brilliant because they're polycotton parents and they don't need ironing. Lucas is wearing a Jack Skellington t-shirt, his favourite character. Jack Skellington Vans, which also Disney Vans, and some ears that I made.
No, we're going here because you can get the monorail.
Which I'm quite proud of. He wanted Mickey, Goofy, Donald, that doesn't exist, so we made them. And we got our pin trading stuff on today. Jack is a master pin trader, these two are more beginners. And I am wearing a child's t-shirt from H&M. I should also say that the kids are wearing their lanyards this time. Last trip you probably saw we put the lanyards in the bags, and that is because they kept falling off.
Yeah,
like the pins.
that's the annoying bit.
The Mickey
but
bags.
we got some better pin tops this time.
Yeah.
Because Millie accidentally lost one of her first pins.
You can buy those bags at Amazon and I'll link that below as usual. We are in the Grand Ceremonial House, Millie, the main building. We're just going to go fill up our water bottle. Last night it was like freezing cold and I had Millie who was fast asleep and Millie who was fast asleep in my arms, really heavy, and I said to Dom, don't worry, I'll take them back to the room while you park up, so leave us in front of the hotel. And he did that. Oh, is that Captain Cook's down there? That's Captain Cook's down there. I don't know where I'm going. And so we did that, and we didn't know where we were going, did we, Jack? And it felt like forever, and she was so heavy and my arms were about to break, but we found it. And Jack's was saying that would have been a massive shortcut. And this is kind of cafe, and now to the monorail, which is here. On the monorail.
Please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the door.
Well, we're at the Magic Kingdom, but with no Dom, no Daddy, because he forgot his phone. So he's gone back to get it and he'll meet us here. So we're going to go head on with our day, aren't we?
Yep.
Jack's going to start on holding my bag.
Hey, so I'm back in the room. Made it pretty quick actually. Less than 10 minutes from the Grand Floridian to walk over here. So if you ever need to get from the Grand Floridian to the Polynesian, say you're staying there and you want to go to Ohana, it's not a bad walk really. It's quite nice around the bay. But I'm back now, so I'm gonna probably get the boat across to the Magic Kingdom, meet the guys there. So let's get going.
We are doing a pin trade with an expert at the moment who's just told us that Pascal is a limited edition pin and Boo is a limited edition pin. We didn't even know that.
So what would you like to trade? What is not your favorite pin? That would be a good trade.
Wow, that was fun, wasn't it, guys? What did you get? Minnie! And what did you get, Lukey? Pirate. Oh, cool.
We're in Tokelau, I think it's called. And just, yeah, come out the door, head right. You get towards the beach. So there's the DVC pool, which looks lovely. I'll show you that later when we go for a swim. And then just down here, there's our room there. But walking down this way, over there is the beach and the bay and the Magic Kingdom. So I left the guys just before past. It's now just after 1:45. And I'm on my way back, so I don't think that's bad really.
Somehow we're watching the show again.
How nice is this beach? You can see the Grand Floridian and you can just see the castle in between the bungalows. But anyway, I'm heading over to there, to the boat dock. There's a few people there, which means I haven't just missed one. So hopefully won't have too long to wait. Ha! We're in luck. Just walking up the boat dock. They just came from over that way. And I think I can see a launch in the distance. So that's the big boat from the Ticket and Transportation Centre. There's Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. Polynesian bungalows. The Polynesian. And hopefully that's my boat. Next up, Magic Kingdom. Less than 5 minutes later, not bad. So just over half an hour after leaving the other guys, I'm about to walk through the gates. It gets me every time. Cinderella's Castle. So I just got a WhatsApp from Hannah. They are by the teacups. So the best way there is through Tomorrowland and then hook a left. It's so handy having Wi-Fi everywhere. It's pretty busy today. I suppose it's quite late, 12:30 now. But quite a few people in Tomorrowland. They're still building Tron up there. The last time I came, the Speedway was shut. But it's open again now, which is great because it's Lucas's favourite ride. And then there's the teacups. There they are. Hello.
Hello.
Found you.
Dad, look what I found in my bag.
Oh, no way. Old sorcerer's cards.
We just had our first ever packed lunch in the park and it was actually really nice. We had it by the teacups and it just feels so much healthier, even though having the dining plan is great as well. Because this is like our bonus trip, it's quite nice to have like a bit of a healthier option, especially for the kids. So that was good.
And it's nice and quick as well.
Yeah, it's nice and quick and it's easy to bring. So they don't let you bring like a full-on meal, but like sandwiches and crisps and things, fine. Yeah. And now we're in line to see Pooh and Tigger, which is on till 2 o'clock. That's next to the Winnie the Pooh ride. And I think it is, what is it, Millie, 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock every day? And because we have so many autograph books, this year we're doing a little heart that we're going to sign, and then I'm going to put some string on them and we're going to put them on the kids' Christmas tree. And we're doing them in all different colours, so we'll have them sign on one side and then on the other side I will glue on a picture of them meeting them. So it'll be a really cute little memento, I think.
Rather than an autograph book, just closing a drawer and then I get to see the light there again.
Which is good for the first time. We want an autograph book first, obviously, but we have 4. So we thought something different would be good this time. So I researched and this appealed to me most because I love Christmas decorations, and I thought the hearts could actually be used like year round for Valentine's or just for decorations really. So let's see if it works. Say hi! Hi! we seeing? Philhar Magic.
Philhar Magic.
It's really good. It's really good. Jack. Someone doing sorcerers. Oh, someone's doing sorcerers over there. That's what you do. You have to put your card up, put your magic band up, and then you have to choose a card to fight the villain with. As I was saying, if you need to cool down, there's never a queue really. So 10 minutes, it just means wait till the next show. It's a big theatre and it's a fun show, so well worth doing if you're not bothered, don't have a fast pass, don't know what to do, just want to sit down. So it looks like there's a long queue, but there isn't. Last time I came in here was for the Halloween party. They had good candy. They gave us loads here for trick-or-treating.
I came in here with the boys last trip while you were on the carousel.
Yeah, it looks like a long queue, but it goes straight through. And oh, it feels nice, doesn't it?
It's hot today.
It's hot, it's hot, hot. So hot that Jack has stolen Dom's hat. And it's nice and cool. We're doing the Philhar Magic show. We didn't do it last time, Minnie, because we went on the carousel.
Because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse.
Minnie was laughing so much. It's hilarious. She loved it, didn't she?
She did.
It is absolutely mentally busy in the park today. We're going to do Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and we're going to do Space Mountain, but whoa, look at the fast pass queue. Fast pass queue is long,
But it goes fast.
so that queue went really fast. We're through the fast pass bit now. You just kind of go through that tunnel there, and then there's another little line, and then you're on the ride. So it's pretty fast. And look, there's the Seven Dwarfs Cottage.
Behind that is the ride.
We're supposed to be on the next train, but Jack likes to ride at the front, so you can ask to do that.
So here we are. Jack's at the front. There's the train. Jack and Luke's riding together. Me and Millie. There's Hannah. All on her own. Well, not her own. With a stranger. You excited? Ah. Oh, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up.
Where did you start?
That's the end of the ride, I think. Well, we enjoyed it, didn't we, Millie?
Yeah.
I think, safe to say, our whole family loves that ride.
I'm scared of the wicked witch.
It's a great fun ride.
What a break, there's fountains everywhere. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train was amazing. Over there is Space Mountain, and Jack says he's going to go on. Oh look, Tigger! Oh look, Boo!
Hi guys.
Minnie, no.
She's like, I know him.
So Jack is going to be super brave and do Space Mountain, and we are going to go Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin, because the little too little right now for Space Mountain, and then that means Jack has done all 3 mountains, which is something that even I have not done. That's pretty cool. I've done Splash, I've done Big Thunder, I have not done Space.
Because you're scared of
Because I'm scared of going on space. I am, yes. We're done it, we just stopped at the fountains. They're not a tourist attraction. Fountains, it's like, honestly, I could just take them somewhere with fountains and they'd be happy. Oh! Whoa! There's a meet and greet for Merida, and she's brilliant. Go see Merida if you can. She's so good, isn't she?
Yep. If you want to come to Disney World, anyone who's at Australia, China, Florida, no, not Florida, anyone who's at
Brazil?
Disneyland, Brazil, and France, and Tanzania. The continent is actually Africa. Everyone in Africa, you should come to Disney World and you meet Merida and Elsa The first one is
Tigger? But I'm sure Winnie understands. So we're now entering Tomorrowland, past Tomorrowland Speedway. Teacups are behind us. People Move Out used to be my favourite ride because I didn't go on rides and it's just like a car. Everything is a bit space agey. Up there is a ride that you have to get a lift up to and it's like spins around, it's like rockets. There is Space Mountain and we are going to Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, which is over there. So we're going to say love you, we're going to love you and leave you. Jack, good luck! Whoa, 3 mountains, woohoo!
Right, Jack, shall we head over to Space Mountain?
Yeah.
First time, right? Are you scared?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm really excited.
Oh, good.
I'm working up to nerves.
I know, the queue makes you nervous, doesn't it? The anticipation.
It's not going to be scary.
No, you'll be fine. Jack's right at the front. Feeling a little nervous now, but he'll be fine.
I'm actually also excited.
Ah, yeah. So have you never seen Space Mountain? There's only one in a row. And this isn't us, but we're going in next.
Here we are! Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. Fast pass line. Let's go! Oh, and this is really, really not scary. The cars, they spin, but like they only go like to the side and you shoot.
You see where the scores are at the end?
You do! It's pretty much the same as the one in Hollywood Studios in Toy Story Land. You like it, don't you, dude? You like this ride? We're good at it, right? Batteries. All 3 of us can ride together. And we're in our machine.
You are cleared for more.
Whoa, we're in space, guys. Woo! So we got 12,500 Millie, and Millie did a very respectable 1,800. Amazing, Mills. You're so good at it, and so you, Lou. Incredible! I look so ridiculously serious in that photo. I like to win, can you tell? Look! Buzz is here! Well, the queue's closed for Buzz. So we can look at him. No, we can't go today. I wonder if Jack went on Space Mountain. Apparently Millie's seen Daddy. I'm not seeing him. Hang on. These two are having a little argument because Lucas split his lip because Millie was going for the water fountain at the same time as him and he's cut his lip. Oh dear.
Here we go. You ready, Jack?
Yeah.
And here we go, around the corner. Let's see how it goes. What do you think, Jack?
Yeah, that was really fun. It wasn't that bad at all. It was really fun.
It was really fun, wasn't it? What did you say? When are we coming back to Magic Kingdom?
Yeah.
Why?
Again.
You want to go straight back
I'm
on?
going to warm up to it. It's not even that bad.
Did you enjoy that?
Ever, yeah. Mummy would like that.
You think Mummy? I don't think Mummy would like that.
I think Mummy would hate it.
You want to go on it again?
But I'm going to try and trick Mummy into coming on. I'm going to try.
That's mean.
I want to. Because once she's on, she'll like it.
Yeah.
She didn't even want to go and 7 Doors Mine.
She didn't. And then when she went on, she loves it now, doesn't she?
Yeah.
It's so much fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we're just going to go head over, meet up with the other guys. We missed each other between the rides. So we went over to Buzz, but now we're going back to Space Mountain, and there they are.
It's not even that dark. I'm sure you would love it, Mommy. I'm sure you would love it. I think you would like it. Did it go fast? No, it didn't feel fast at all.
Lucas has a little ice pack for his lip. And a good tip is, come into Casey's Corner if the parade is on or Main Street is busy, because you can walk all the way through almost to the exit, which is what we want to do, through Casey's Corner, down into the shop and just keep walking. So after that we are heading back to go swimming. I've never seen Jack be so caring of his brother, to be honest. He's been so concerned since he split his lip. It's like he wanted to get a matching injury, but not quite as severe, Jack, as last year. If you watch our first day at Disney from the last vlogs, a very similar thing happened to Jack, but quite a bit worse, right?
Loads worse.
Yeah.
What?
In our hotel is the Pineapple Lanai. So they sell like the Dole Whip here and all the things that I like it. And then they've got the Cinderella 70th anniversary that looks really good. So Millie got a Cinderella one. She's eating the chocolate, but it looks very nice. Is it yummy? Your face like it? Yeah. They're very famous Dole Whip, which is delicious and refreshing. And it's so amazing we can get it at our hotel because people queue for miles in the Magic Kingdom to get that. Dom's got the float. Lucas doesn't like ice cream or anything cold. And Minnie got the Cinderella one. Oh look, activities.
What do we do on the grass?
There's Mr. Potato Head Relay, poolside challenges. And hang loose at Lilo'S Playhouse tonight. We can go to Lilo'S Playhouse. Cool, we go at 6.
Quick change, back in the room. And we're all ready to go.
Swimming.
Thank you, Mr. Dog. Oh, yeah.
Right, let's go swimming.
Mrs. or Mr. Dog. You never know if it's a Mrs. Millie. It's a Mr. No, it's a Mrs. Mr. He's married me. Mrs. Dawn. No, Dawn, you're not married to a Dawn.
So it's about 7 o'clock. We've had our swim. We got showered. We've had our leftover Olive Garden in our room, which is what's so good about the DVC properties because we can eat in our room if we want to. And now we're going to go over and see what Lilo'S Playhouse is all about because it's open tonight. It's not open every night, but it's open tonight, so we're going to see what that's about. Oh, look at this. Isn't it beautiful, guys?
Yeah, we said that was beautiful in the night. We said what beautiful candles.
Oh, it's really nice to be out, isn't it, Dom?
Lovely here at night.
Yeah, it does feel like you're like in Hawaii or something, not like in Disney. And that's bizarre, isn't it? Because we're so super close. And over here is...
We could see it outside.
We're so close. 6 to 8 p.m. Monday, Tuesday and Thursday, Lilo'S Playhouse. Wow, it is pretty cool. There's giant Connect 4, it's a big TV. It's like a castle. There's some computers over there. And there's like a little arcade and pools and arts and crafts. Boys have found the computer. This is what Millie lives for, arts and crafts and drawing and things. Really cute things like make your own crown and make your own photo frame. And Valentine's ornament. Millie's just done a bit of colouring and now we're going to do this make a bear photo magnet craft kit.
I'll show you what it looked like.
Go on,
There's a model of it. I didn't do that, but someone did it.
It's good, isn't it?
They left it here so people could see.
Millie's making some little Valentine's Day cards, aren't you? Secret ones. For Jack. Lucas is doing some brilliant colouring, aren't you?
Both people want to play that with Daddy.
Okay. And over here, these two are locked in a game of drafts.
We need help. Is that how you spell Valentine?
How's it going?
I'm concentrating.
Oh, sorry.
I'm winning.
You always win. Lucas has just brought me this picture. Oh, Lucas, that's amazing.
I've done the first half.
Yeah.
I colour in that page.
Well, why don't you do Lilo now? Because you've done Stitch really, really well. So why don't you do Lilo? I love those two over there. They look like they're concentrating so hard. How brilliant is this? Jack is now making a little frame.
I beat Daddy in checkers.
I knew you would. You're cleverer than him. We're just sitting on the Polynesian beach watching the fireworks. It's amazing. Absolutely incredible. They're piping in the music so you can hear everything. This is incredible. We're actually sitting on the beach in our hotel watching the Magic Kingdom fireworks and it's incredible and beautiful. Don't make me cry. It's my favourite song ever. Absolutely incredible, amazing. Sitting on the beach at our resort, watching the fireworks is insane and amazing. And now we just have to do a short walk home, even though these idiots are just playing with sand.
Yeah.
That's all you're doing, right? This is the happily ever after, I think. Luckiest kids in the world, you three. Daddy's dancing now. Best happily ever after ever. And I think we're gonna go to bed now.
It's such a long way back.
Oh, stop it. We've had another amazing day. Slow start, but a good start. And all that remains to be said is see you tomorrow, because we're gonna go straight to sleep now, I think.
Yeah.
And tomorrow, Dom wants to go and do the
New Star Wars ride, Rise of the Resistance.
which means we have to get up at silly o'clock to go and queue up with the masses. I would like to go on the ride, but I'm not, you know, I think we come a lot, so whether it's now or next time, it's fine. I don't know who this chilled person is that I've become. If you liked what you see, give us a big thumbs up.
And please subscribe.
And ring that bell to tell you every time we do a new video. It's not as often as we used to do, but we do holidays.
Disney World, if you lose something, we'll find it. Don't worry.
That is a big promise. And so I think we're gonna say
Good night.
right, we'll see you in the next one.